So have you seen the heroic rise of Dogecoin, breaking through a 2-week-old resistance line to be now approaching at 42 cents and may go even higher? Why is this happening? As you can see here, the whole market is basically following the lead of Bitcoin, forming a triangle wedge that it's not breaking out of. And everybody's waiting for the signal from Bitcoin. Yet Doge has made a decisive break to the upside. Well, this is obviously because in anticipation of the news that Dogecoin is getting listed on Coinbase in about 3 to 4 hours time. So of course, when Doge lists on something as popular as Coinbase, all those people who have never had access to it before will be able to buy it. Therefore, Dogecoin would go up a lot, right? Nah, not really. This is another situation of buy on rumor, sell on fact. The reality is, how does a listing on Coinbase help Doge? It's not like you couldn't buy it before. Plenty of people bought Doge on Robinhood. And in fact, Robinhood's account is the largest Doge wallet out there. I mean, with Shiba Inu, there was actually a point because it was never listed on a major exchange. Let's just have a look at these big headline listings we've had previous to the listing of Bitcoin on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange back in 2017. Oh, that day turned out to be the exact high of that bull cycle. Here's the listing of Coinbase on the Nasdaq. Oh, that also turned out to be the day of the exact high of this current bull move. Yes, Bitcoin topped at exactly 64,000 on the day Coinbase was listed. And what happened to Coinbase's share prices itself? Yeah, went up for about a few minutes and then came straight back down. And now it's lost 50% of its value. So maybe that wouldn't happen to Doge. But look what's happened to the other dog, the Doge killer, Shiba Inu, listing on Binance 3 weeks ago. With huge anticipation and sentimental support, it again opened from 30 and ran up quickly to 50, only to crash back down within hours of listing on the major exchange. I think these big headline listings and exchanges have a pretty obvious playbook by now, which is buy on rumor and the price runs up all the way up to the listing date, but sell on news. Within a couple of hours, crashes back down. And that's what I would expect to happen to the price of Doge, unless if today Bitcoin also breaks above 40,000 and therefore everyone thinks we're back in a bull market and Bitcoin and everything else makes a big run from 40 to 45,000 and Doge could go even higher. But of course, I would just call that a dead cat bounce, or more technically, a retracement. If Bitcoin stays relatively flat today, then what's going to happen to Dogecoin is exactly what happened when Elon Musk appeared on Saturday Night Live, which is it makes the run up in anticipation of this publicly known event. Buy on rumor, then sell on fact. And as soon as Elon appears on the show, it tanks all the way back down. And I would expect the same thing to happen to Doge today, unless Bitcoin breaks above 40,000 and people falsely believe we're back in a bull market, which we're not.